In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a task to a milestone in your Asana project. If you're managing projects in Asana, you'll often come across tasks that are significant enough in their impact or importance that they should be highlighted as milestones. In project management, milestones are crucial markers that denote significant progress points, helping you and your team track the development of the project more effectively. Let's dive into the process and transform one of your tasks into a milestone, step by step. First, start by opening your Asana workspace. You'll want to navigate to the specific project where the task you wish to convert exists. This is important because converting a task into a milestone can help you clearly communicate to your team which points in your project are particularly critical. Once you're inside your project, glance through your list of tasks and identify the one you'd like to upgrade into a milestone. This task might represent a key phase ending or the completion of a deliverable that signifies substantial progress in your project timeline. Once you've located the task, you simply need to right-click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu with options related to the task. You'll notice various options such as adding tags, assigning to team members, or setting due dates. For now, focus on the option labeled Convert To. This feature is very handy for transforming your task into something that stands out visually in your project timeline, making it easier for your team to see important progress points. After selecting Convert To, a second menu will appear, giving you the option to choose Milestone. By selecting this option, you are essentially telling Asana to change the icon and function of this task into a milestone. Not only does this change its visual representation, indicating its heightened importance, but it also helps everyone involved in the project to understand that reaching this point is a significant achievement or turning point in the project's life cycle. And there you go. Congratulations! You've successfully converted a task into a milestone within your Asana project. It's really that simple. By converting important tasks into milestones, you'll facilitate better communication and clearer project tracking for you and your team. Remember, milestones are an excellent way to measure your project's progress and keep your team aligned on the key objectives. They bring attention to critical deadlines and achievements without overloading your team with information. That wraps up our tutorial today. Hopefully, you found these instructions easy to follow and helpful for your project management needs. Be sure to utilize milestones effectively in your future projects to maximize your organization's efficiency and success. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more Asana tips and tricks.